Are you ready to dominate web development in 2025? The industry is changing fast. AI is revolutionizing workflows, frameworks are evolving, and job competition is fiercer than ever. But don't worry, this roadmap will give you everything you need to stay ahead. By the end, you will have a clear plan to master front-end, back-end, full-stack, AI integration, and Web3 development. Let's start with the foundations. Step 1. Master the basics. Every great developer starts with a strong foundation. In 2025, it's not just about learning syntax. It's about writing efficient, scalable, and accessible code. First, HTML5 is more than just structure. Semantic elements like header, article, and section improve SEO and accessibility. Understanding area roles ensures your websites are readable for AI-powered voice assistants and screen readers. Next, CSS3. Responsive design is not an option, it's mandatory. Flexbox and Grid give you full control over layouts, while animations and dark mode support enhance user experience. In 2025, developers favor Tailwind CSS over traditional frameworks like Bootstrap, thanks to its utility-first approach and fast styling capabilities. Then comes JavaScript, ease 6+ and beyond. Master the modern syntax, let in const, template literals, destructuring, and async or await. Learn how the Fetch API, WebSockets, and local storage power dynamic real-time applications. Instead of memorizing syntax, apply what you learn. Build small real-world projects, a to-do list app, a weather dashboard, or an interactive chatbot UI. Hands-on experience is the fastest way to grow. Step 2. Essential tools and version control. If you are not using Git, you are doing it wrong. In 2025, version control is non-negotiable. Learning branching, merging, and pull requests on GitHub sets you up for real-world collaboration. Optimize your development environment. Use VS Code with extensions like Prettier, ESLint, and GitLens. Instead of Webpack, use Vite for faster builds. Want to land a job faster? Maintain an active GitHub profile. Push personal projects, contribute to open source, and document your work. Hiring managers don't just look at resumes, they check GitHub activity. Step 3. Front-end development and frameworks. Once you are comfortable with JavaScript, it's time to learn modern front-end frameworks. React.js remains the dominant choice. Companies love it for component-based architecture and a thriving ecosystem. Learn hooks, context API, and Redux toolkit to manage state efficiently. For high-performance applications, Next.js is a must. With server-side rendering in short SSR, static generation, and API routes, it's the go-to framework for full-stack development. If you prefer alternatives, Vue.js and Svelte are excellent choices. Vue 3 offers reactivity and an easy learning curve, while Svelte compiles into super-efficient JavaScript without a virtual DOM. Master state management. React, Redux Toolkit, Zustand, or React Context API. Angular, NGRX for scalable applications. Instead of jumping between frameworks, master one deeply. In 2025, React plus Next.js is the most future-proof combination. Step 4. Backend development and API. Web applications need a backend. Here's how to master full-stack development. Start with Node.js and Express.js, the most popular choice for REST APIs. Want better performance? Explore Deno or Bun.js, both designed to optimize speed and security. For Python enthusiasts, Django and Fast API remain top choices, especially for AI-powered applications. Databases power everything behind the scenes. Choose between MongoDB, NoSQL, great for flexible, scalable applications. PostgreSQL and Supabase SQL, the future of serverless databases. GraphQL, preferred for efficient data fetching and flexibility. Want to stand out? Build a full-stack app that integrates authentication, a database, and API endpoints. A personal blog, e-commerce store, or project management tool will make your portfolio shine. Step 5. Full-stack mastery and DevOps. Now it's time to bring everything together. Deploying an application is just as important as building it. Vercel and Netlify are the go-to choices for front-end hosting, while AWS Lambda, Firebase, and DigitalOcean are great for backends. Automate deployments with GitHub Actions or Jenkins. Set up CI or CD pipelines to ensure every code push is tested and deployed seamlessly. For large-scale applications, containerization is key. Learn Docker and Kubernetes to deploy apps in scalable production-ready environments. And last, step 6, AI, Web3, and emerging technologies. The future of web development is AI-powered, decentralized, and immersive. AI in web development. Use GitHub Copilot and ChatGPT to generate code faster. Implement AI-powered features like chatbots, recommendation systems, and real-time analytics. Explore TensorFlow.js and ML5.js for adding AI-driven capabilities to web apps. Web3 and blockchain development. Learn Ethers.js and Solidity to interact with smart contracts. Build NFT marketplaces or decentralized applications dApps. Master MetaMask integration for seamless crypto transactions. 3D and immersive web. Use 3.js and WebGL to create interactive 3D experiences. Experiment with WebXR to build VR and AR-powered applications. The web is evolving beyond static pages. Learning these technologies now will future-proof your skills. So, what's the biggest mistake developers make? They stop learning. The tech industry never stands still, and neither should you. Follow trends, build projects, and stay adaptable. AI and automation are transforming development, but human creativity and problem-solving skills will always be in demand. Here's how to stay ahead. Engage in developer communities. Join Reddit, Discord, or Twitter tech spaces. Stay updated with AI-powered newsletters and YouTube channels. Contribute to open-source projects to showcase your skills. So, what's the secret to long-term success? Learn how to learn. The demand for web developers is skyrocketing, but so is the competition. To stand out, you need more than just technical skills. You need to think like a problem solver. Companies in 2025 are not just hiring coders, they are hiring engineers who can innovate. Soft skills like communication, teamwork, and adaptability are just as important as writing clean code. Participate in hackathons, freelance projects, and open-source contributions to gain real-world experience. And most importantly, build a personal brand, whether it's through a strong GitHub presence, a portfolio website, or sharing insights on platforms like LinkedIn and Twitter. The more visible and engaged you are in the developer community, the more opportunities will come your way. Now you have the ultimate 2025 web development roadmap. From front-end to back-end, full-stack mastery to AI, and emerging tech like Web3 and 3D web, you have everything you need to become a high-demand developer. What's your goal for 2025? Drop a comment and let's discuss. If this roadmap helped you, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more top-tier tech insights. See you in the next video. Until then, let's keep learning together.